ठहरा है.
Good morning, friends. A very, very happy Diwali. It's often the quest of many a trader, especially when they're new, to look for multibaggers, right? Now, identifying a microcap company which can grow into a 10-bagger, 20-bagger requires tremendous amount of effort, requires tremendous amount of experience and ability to take a macro view as well as micro view and identify sector tailwinds, identify in the sector which is the stock which can gain to benefit, which stands to benefit from any environmental factors, the government regulations change, FDA approvals, and so on and so forth. It's a life as a fundamental analyst is very difficult, and I have the highest respect for them. So when I started, I tried doing all this, but I wasn't very successful at it. But what my strength was technical analysis. Now, what is the fastest way to spot a stock which will go 200%? Well, when it does 100%. So you will be able to find which stock has done 100% in this year through a simple scan, right? And mostly companies go to 7x. No, not mostly. All the companies which go to 7x have to do 1x first. Make sense? So instead of worrying about all the fundamental PE and all that, why don't we let the price dictate what we do? So as a starting step for a multi-bagger, if we start with a set of stocks that have already done 100%, then that is really giving us an edge, doesn't it? It gives us a solid starting place. Of course, you need to still identify what is the correct entry after that, because after 100%, maybe the stock will go for sideways for some time, and then it will go, maybe it will just come back to where it started from. So this is part of technical analysis. The assumption is that you know technical analysis and you are good at it. If not, please contact me. We can do something about it. So let me give you an example. This is Newland Lab. So Newland Lab in May of this year did the 100% from its February low. Right? And from May, it has now done 103%. So the stock doubled here and it gave another 100% here. So are we nitpicking that we have to pick the stock here? Why not here? This is as good as a move as this, right? It took longer, of course. Maybe the third one will be even more faster. I don't know. So, and you can use any of the normal techniques that we have to identify this very easily. So this is what I'm trying to say. This is the example of how we can do. And if I look at any stock, you will see the same pattern, right? So here we can see the stock moved from, you say now I'm looking for January. So the stock has done 80 to 160 over here, or 60 to 120 over here, and then 120 to 250 it has done. So this is the examples that I'm talking about. And if you look at stocks like Iron Exchange, for example, this has actually done 1,000%. This is a 10x return. So that could be multiple reasons, but then liquidity, everything we need to consider while selecting stocks from this. But that's the second part. Now, I have made a list of stocks which has done, made a list of stocks which has done 100% to date as on 12th of November. And I have I will share the link to that in the comments, in the description of this video. So please do take a look and